St. James teen succumbed to injuries he received in a three-vehicle collision in Trelawny. Hi again and welcome. This is Link 007 TV. Let's talk, and we're about to discuss this on the program. We ask you, please remember to like, share, subscribe to the channel, click that notification bell and click on all so you're always notified whenever we post new videos. We'll be right back after this short break. Welcome back and thanks for joining us for the program. This is Link 007 TV. Let's talk. This is the place where you get the best in local and international news updates. So please remember, subscribe to the channel for that. So what I want to talk about today on the program is the spate of accidents that we have observed happening across the country. And most of the times these accidents could have been avoided only if these drivers were adhering to the regulations outlined by the local road traffic authorities. Now we have seen accidents happening in major hotspots and even in areas where we would not classify these as hotspots, but due to the mismanipulation of certain aspects of the road code, these accidents occur, and most of the time serious injuries happen or even life is lost. So a 15-year-old boy from St. James succumbed to injuries as a result of a three-vehicle collision in Trelawny on Sunday. 7 other persons were actually injured in the accident, and the young boy is actually identified as Wayne Winter of Mount Salem in St. James, and he is from that parish. So according to police reports, are that around 5:30 p.m. a white Nissan Tiida was driving along the Greenside Main Road in Trelawny when the driver lost control of the vehicle, which collided into 2 other motor cars. The 3 occupants of the Tiida, in which the 15-year-old boy was a passenger, and 7 others from the 2 other vehicles were taken to hospital, where the teenage boy succumbed to his injuries. 2 of those who were taken to hospital were admitted and the others treated and sent home. The Trelawny police are currently investigating the matter. So this is the accident that took place on Sunday, which involved a Tiida motor car and actually some other vehicles. It's still unclear what really led to the accident, but it seems as if one of the vehicles lost control and went into the path of the oncoming vehicles, and this caused a major accident, and a number of people were seriously hurt in this. Serious to the point where a 15-year-old boy who goes by the name Wayne Winter of a Mount Salem address in St. James succumbed to his injuries. Now these are the things I'm talking about. When we are on the road, we have to be extremely careful. When you're driving, it don't matter where you're at, the location, it doesn't matter. You have to adhere to the regulations and try your best to maneuver the hilly terrains and also certain aspects of road that are unfamiliar to you, because most of the time people are unfamiliar with certain roads and they will speed and not knowing the actual layout of the road. This can cause accident as well. So I'm appealing to you drivers out there, if you don't know the road that well, don't speed. And even when you do know the road, try your very best to maintain a moderate speed level, especially when it is busy or during the festive season that we are going through at this time. Also, we have to be mindful of certain times that you might become tired. If you're tired, I would try to persuade you in order to just get some rest before you venture on the road. Most of the time, some of these drivers, they're very tired, and most of them might even fall asleep behind the wheels whenever they are maneuvering these vehicles. And we've seen that happen in more than one instance where people fall asleep behind the wheels, and then the result is very serious. So these are just some of the steps that I believe that can help in order to control the rapid space of accidents that have been happening right across the country, with a number of lives being lost and a number of people being seriously hurt based on the fact that people, they are not adhering to the regulations outlined by the local authorities, which are very sad. Most of the time there are certain speed zones, 50-kilometer speed zone, and people are doing 100 in these zones. So these regulations are just put in place just in order to protect you and me. And even at times people try their best to adhere to these regulations. There are some of the times these accidents are not caused by you. It's not your fault. You're maintaining your speed limit and you're going about your day-to-day business, and then out the blue, someone who is not observing the speed limit or just feel as if the place that he's going is going to move, so they have to be going at a fast pace in order to get there, and then some of the times they don't even reach that location based on the fact that they reach in an accident and then their life is taken. So we cannot continue like this for the new year. We have to try to just put some more value on life and put some more emphasis on the way we use the roads, because the roads out there, trust me, most of the time these could have been avoided only if one party had just adhered to the regulations and tried their best to maneuver themselves and put themselves in such a position that they can know that they are not using the road alone, and they have to take into account that others are on the road. You have pedestrians on the road, you have cyclists on the road, you have people that are riding their motorbikes on the road, and even animals at times do venture on the road. So you have to keep all these in mind whenever you're using the road, and try your best to protect your life and the lives of others. This individual was just 15 years old. Now, because of someone's fault, he has lost his life, and a number of others are in hospital with serious injuries. We believe we're going to leave this one here for now, though. Thanks for watching. This has been Links 007 TV. Let's talk. Peace out, and just drop it in the comment section how you feel about this story. Thanks for watching. Have a blessed day.